Making your own pencil marking aid is a beautiful exercise that will not only result in a very useful hand tool, as you can see, but it will also help you develop new core skills that are essential for future projects. Let me show you how it works, because it's more complicated than you think. This is a precision exercise because you need very accurate marking in this surface here, and it should match in space with this other opening so that you get a straight through square hole or mortise, and that's where very accurate marking comes into play. And also these two openings, they overlap in space, and as you can see, the second one, it's tapered exactly to the angle of the wedge. Now, how you achieve that without machines? That's a very interesting question. You could, of course, open a tapered mortise, but for a beginner, that's going to be very difficult. And I've come up with the idea of ripping these apart so that we can work on the inside, making this recess exactly to the shape of our wedge, as you can see here. And then we'll put it back together with the help of these 6 indexing holes here. So there's a lot to explain, and we should get something that really works as a very accurate tool. We need a bar that slides very nicely, but also that stays in place with no rattle. That's a common mistake among marking gauges. And this, if done properly, will be a tool for the rest of your life and will get you to develop your skills. And of course, you can turn a pencil marking gauge into a cutting marking gauge if you put a suitable cutter on the end, and we'll show you the arrangement for this, which is also a very interesting exercise. So you'll find all of this in the Initiation Courses membership, where we will develop your skills in order to tackle new complex projects. See you there.